Hello everyone, welcome to .NETMirror channel. Today we are diving into a potential lifesaver for Azure developers, how to restore a deleted app service. Whether it was an accidental click or a change in plans, I will show you how to get your app back online using both Azure Portal and PowerShell. Here is what we will cover today. First, we will quickly define what is Azure App Service and what is the restore feature actually does. Then we will walk through method 1 using the Azure portal, followed by method 2 using PowerShell for those who love automation. We will wrap up with a live demo showing the app running on the cloud. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more Azure and .NET content from our channel. For those new to the platform, Azure App Service is a fully managed platform as a service or PaaS. It allows you to build and deploy web apps and APIs without worrying about underlying infrastructure. It supports .NET, Java, Python, and many more. And you can run your apps Windows, Linux, or even in containers. When it comes to deployment methods, there are many ways to get your code on Azure App Service, ranging from Azure CLI to PowerShell to the CI/CD pipelines like GitHub Actions or Azure Pipelines. I have created a series of videos. You can go and watch my playlist. I will provide the link in the description. You can also use traditional methods like FTP, zip deployment, or even Docker containers. This flexibility is what makes app service so powerful. Now let's talk about undelete or restore feature. The most important thing to know that you have a 30 days window to restore an app after it's been deleted. After that, it's purged forever. Also, this is only available for basic, standard, premium, and isolated ties. Free and shared ties are not supported. Keep in mind that while your content is saved, custom domains and SSL certificates must be re-added manually. Finally, this doesn't apply to function apps on consumption or elastic premium plans. Let's look at the portal method first. It is very straightforward. Just search for app services and look for the manage deleted apps option in the top menu. Select your subscription, find your app in the list, and choose your target app or slot for the restoration. By default, only content is restored. So if you need to restore your settings also, make sure to check restore app configuration before clicking the restore. When it comes to the method 2, for the automation fans, we have the PowerShell way of doing it. First, use the Get-AzDeletedWebApp command to find deleted app and take its unique ID. Once you have that, you can restore using AzDeleteWebApp to send it to new app name or specific app service plan. If you only want the files and not the settings, remember to add the restore content only flag. Now it's time for the demo. I logged into Azure portal. Let's go to the app services. Click on manage deleted apps. Select your subscription. Now you can see all apps which are deleted from here. Let's use PowerShell command. The same list, if you want to see from PowerShell, go to the command center. Yeah, when you type get az deleted web app, you can see all the web apps which are got deleted. You can see the location, the resource name, the plan, the slot, as well as the deletion time. Even you have the ID also. So now let's try to restore DNM clone app. We have twice here, so let's check that. So let me take, if you want to get specific app related data, execute this command. You can pass the name and the location. So if you see here, we have two names which are similar, but one is deleted on 20th March, the other one is deleted on 21st March. So what I will do now is, let's minimize this. So here, let's go and select the first one. So now I'm trying the Azure portal way of doing it. Now meanwhile, I created one Azure App Service which is called DNM Restore App under free pricing plan. If you browse the application, we don't have anything deployed. Now what we will do is we will take portal option and restore DNM clone app to the restore app. So let's select DNM restore app. Now here I'm saying restore app configurations as well. So let's select that. Let's recover. So it says restore is not supported because the deleted app is in free plan. As we mentioned, it supports only above basic. So let's select the other one. Let's recover. Now if you see here, it says the app restoration process has started. This will take a minute. Let's wait for that. Let's refresh the app. Now if you see the app, it's a restored version from the deleted app, and you can see here it is trying to load our application. Even you can see the settings are coming over here. Let's go to the app, and this is the restored version of app. Let's go to environment variables, and if you see here, as a part of this restore, it is copied our app settings as well, because we enabled that particular checkbox. So with this way, manage deleted apps, you can go and restore deleted app to the new app service. So let me take the command. So let's go to the PowerShell again. So this time, I think this 21st March is the free plan and the 20th one is the standard plan. So I'm going to take this particular ID, because when you're trying to restore with PowerShell, if the app has same names, you have to pass the ID. So let's go here, and in this we will change the ID. This time let's copy only the content, not the app settings. So let's take this setting. Let's go to the PowerShell. So now here we are saying restore the app to this resource group, and instead of DNM clone app, we are saying new. If you don't pass this name, automatically the previous version of name will be taken. And the plan, which is a free service plan, here because I have two app service names, I'm giving specific ID, and this time I'm saying only restore content, not settings. So let's run this. So it's asking for resource group name. So let's give, yeah, it says app will be created. Do you want to do it? Yes, I'm saying yes. Now if you see here, it says new app will be created. It says DNM clone app new, and the resource group is this. Yeah, now if you see here, the app is created and it's running under this resource group. So let's go to the resource group, and this is the app DNM clone app new. This is the one which is restored via PowerShell. And once you browse this, so let's start the app. Yeah, now if you see here, this particular app, the settings are not copied. These got deployed as a part of my local deployment. You're not seeing settings here. Let's go to the settings and check, because we passed, as a part of our command, we passed only restore content, not the settings. So it did not restore our settings. So with this way, you can use either portal or PowerShell way of doing it to restore your deleted app to the new app service. And I just want to show one last option. Let's go to the apps. Just one other option I want to show you is, if there's an app which is deleted beyond 30 days, example DNM demo FTP, it says this is deleted before 30 days and it is purged and you cannot restore. You can only restore the apps which are deleted within 30 days. This we are done with the demo. We looked at both the options, Azure Portal as well as Azure PowerShell, how you can restore your deleted apps within 30 days to a new app service with app settings and without app settings. And these are the articles which I referred. I will provide the link in the description. That brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.